Get ready to say goodbye to pesky pimples with Biore's Cover and Conquer Blemish Patch, the ultimate weapon in your skincare arsenal. Are you tired of dealing with pesky pimples that just won't go away? Do you find yourself constantly searching for the latest skincare products to help combat blemishes and breakouts? Look no further than Biore's Cover and Conquer Blemish Patch. These medical-grade, ultra-thin hydrocolloid patches are designed to cover and heal blemishes while you go about your day. Simply apply one of the 30 included patches to a clean, dry face and let the patch work its magic. The hydrocolloid material absorbs excess oil and pus, while also creating a protective barrier against bacteria and irritants. Not only are these patches effective at treating existing blemishes, but they can also help prevent new ones from forming. By keeping the affected area covered and protected, the patch promotes faster healing and reduces the risk of further inflammation or infection. Best of all, Biore's Cover and Conquer Blemish Patch is HSA, FSA approved, making it a cost-effective solution for those looking to take control of their skincare routine. So say goodbye to hiding behind makeup or feeling self-conscious about your skin. With Biore's Pimple Patches, you can cover and conquer those blemishes for good.